Welcome to our tutorial on Python programming. What is Python programming? Python programming is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It is widely used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. What are the basic data types in Python? The basic data types in Python are integers, floating point numbers, strings, booleans, and none. Integers are whole numbers without decimal points. Floating point numbers are numbers with decimal points. Strings are sequences of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. Booleans are either true or false values. None is a special value that represents the absence of a value. How do you declare a variable in Python? To declare a variable in Python, simply use the assignment operator, =, to assign a value to it. For instance, if you want to declare a variable named x and assign it the value 5, you would write x equals 5. What are the control flow statements in Python? Python has control flow statements to control the execution of code. These include if-else statements, which allow you to execute different blocks of code based on certain conditions. For loops are used to iterate over a sequence of elements, executing a block of code for each element. While loops continue executing a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. Lastly, try-except blocks are used for error handling, allowing you to catch and handle exceptions that may occur during the execution of your code. What are functions in Python? Functions in Python are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. They help in organizing code and making it more modular. How do you define a function in Python? To define a function in Python, use the def keyword followed by the function name, parameters, and a colon. The function body should be indented below. What are libraries in Python? Libraries in Python are pre-written code modules that offer additional functionality. They enable developers to access ready-made tools and functions, saving time and effort. Some well-known libraries in Python are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and TensorFlow. NumPy provides support for large, multidimensional arrays and mathematical operations. Pandas offers data manipulation and analysis tools. Matplotlib aids in creating visualizations and graphs. TensorFlow is a popular library for machine learning and deep learning tasks. These libraries expand Python's capabilities and empower developers to efficiently solve complex problems. What is object-oriented programming in Python? Object-oriented programming, OOP, in Python is a programming paradigm that organizes code into objects. Objects are instances of classes and they encapsulate data and behavior. Python supports OOP and provides features like inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Inheritance allows classes to inherit attributes and methods from other classes, encapsulation hides the internal details of an object and provides a public interface, and polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as if they are of the same class. These features make Python a powerful language for creating modular and reusable code. How do you handle exceptions in Python? To handle exceptions in Python, you can use try-except blocks. The code that may raise an exception is enclosed in the try block, while the handling code is placed in the except block. What are the file handling methods in Python? Python provides several file handling methods to read from and write to files. The open method is used to open a file and returns a file object. The read method is used to read the contents of a file, while the write method is used to write data to a file. The close method is used to close the file after reading or writing. These methods are essential for file manipulation in Python. We have now come to the end of the Python programming tutorial. Thank you for your time.